sa lahat po ng aking mga kaibigan, followers, subscribers. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Mayroon pa akong hindi ko matatanggihan na request. Birthday greetings. Ayan. Siya po si Madam Dean Razel S. Agana, Dean of Sponsors ng TUP ROTC Unit. Si Ma'am Razel po ay napakabait po, very approachable and friendly, at nagkakilala kami niyan nung ako po ay nasa 1303rd CTC sa Port Bonifacio in 2022. At si Madam po, siya po ay marami pong mga awards na natanggap na. Ang ilan po sa dalawa na pinaka highlight sa award niya ay siya po ay naging Icon Star Awardee. Siya po ay naka-receive ng Certificate of Appreciation for Public Service and Dedication for her profession. And the other one is Outstanding Public Servant Excellence Award nitong 2024 lang. Madam, kakantahan po kita ng birthday song. To you, Ma'am Razel. Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy of what yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, the most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your brother and sis singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Madam Dean of Sponsors ng Technological University of the Philippines ROTC Unit, Razel S. Agana. More birthdays to come, and may God bless you always.